there's always a solution, and just work hard. My father has had a rich history in motorsports. As long as I can remember, I was in a shop, with a wrench in my hand.
Hey guys, I'm dropping off a project here at GC Performance Classics in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm a big muscle car guy, but I'm also a big fan of British performance. And if you are too, this is the shop to be at.
One thing I did learn from my father is do the best you can every day and give people what they pay for, right, above and beyond. And we see the other end of the spectrum with subpar work, lack of attention to detail. I would say 60% of the time we're fixing someone else's mistakes.
I mean, the floor is as clean as the cars. That's hard to do in a shop. And as you can tell, the bays are full. So the question is, why go British?
And just through networking and going to shows, I could see that there was a big demand for a service and restoration shop here.
Check this out. It's a rare car from the early 90s. It's a supercar, the Jaguar XJ220. And get this, only 271 were ever made. Here in the States, there's only about 29. Of those 29, Jeremy's informed me that they've already serviced 2 of them. Pretty cool stuff.
We take a lot of pride in being able to service and bring these cars back to life mechanically. We do have the body protectors that we use when we service the cars. Those are made exclusively from Jaguar Sport and came from the factory. That set of body panels alone that protects that car is $5,000. So definitely necessitated for what we do, and fortunate that we have accessibility to them.
I gotta be honest, I didn't expect to find a 55 Willys Jeep Army Edition back here. This thing's in actually really good shape. Business is apparently booming for Jeremy and his dad, so much that they're already looking for a bigger shop. And now I can see why. We're gonna show you around GC Performance Classics and take you inside. Truck.